Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about force filling or force creating methods in Laravel. As we can see here, I have my user model here, and fillable fields only is name, email and password. And also, if you notice, I have status column here, but it's not fillable by user. In my root, I act as a user, create new account, and also if I set the status value to be active or 1 here, it will not be created as 1 because the default value is 0 and it's not fillable. So if I back and refresh again, we will review your profile, and here the status is 0. Now if I act as an admin to approve this user, I will say user find ID number 11, and I can say update, set status to 1 or activate this account, return approved as a message here. If I back and refresh again, /admin, approved. But if I back and refresh again, it's still 0 because it's not fillable. So we have two options for this case. The first one is using force fill. If we want to add some data, right, then we can say like this here, user, and we can say user saved, back and refresh again, saved, check, now it's 1. Or directly we can make it like this, as we know, user status equal to 1, then save also. And if I set it to 0 again, back and refresh, approved, check, 1, right? The same logic we can use if, for example, admin wants to create a new user. So I can say here, I will take this logic, this user will be created by admin, and we can keep it clean by saying force create method, and we can say created and approved. I will remove this user here, back and refresh, it's a status. I will create it by admin. Now it's created and approved. If I back and check again, status also is touchy, right? So the force create will not take care or mass assignment array here, right? But if we do it with normal create status here, it will be default value, which is 0. If I back again and create it by normal user, created, and we will review your profile, now it's 0 also. So here's quickly how to neglect the mass assignment for some cases. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you next videos.